this segment of the e-learning tutorial, I'll be demonstrating how you respond to a student post in a forum. So here we have one of the forums. Click on it. Here is the prompt posted for all the students to respond. As the students start responding, this is the response. Now you as the instructor can come in and post a response, a reply to this. You can post this reply for all the class to see or for only the student. So you press reply and then you type your response in here. If you want a private reply, you select this private reply option. Now, it is important that the feedback that you provide is substantive. It helps the student with their studies. So notice in this case, we have the instructor provided quite a bit of feedback and even included references as part of the response to set the example on how to engage in the forums. Then if you press post to the forum here, it will be available. The response will be available to all the students. You reply privately, that will be available only to the student. The other option is if you click here on Advanced on the right-hand side, and this is available for students as well. Here you can upload additional files, or you can provide a video response by clicking on Record Video, and then you'd need to allow the camera and the microphone to be used by the browser. Once you're done with your response, whether via text or via video, then you'd press post to the forum, and your response will show up as part of this thread of the discussion. Again, particularly for online courses, this is one of the main ways where the faculty engages with the students in the course and is not only beneficial for the students, but it's a requirement for our online courses.